Welcome back to the small town of Chabby Howe. This is the main road, and to the left, of course, is the sea, and to the right is the lagoon. Small little strip of land. We're gonna walk down here to my house. I'm gonna speed this up and time lapse it. And now we're here. The swimming pool is finally getting built. We're here January 2025, and this again was one of the tougher areas of the project because they had to, right over there you can see these concrete piles, and they take them and they send them down deep right below all of these support columns. So for example, this area is going to get one of those going down there, that one there, then over there, and then last but not least over there in that corner. So they put these concrete piles underneath there, and then they're pretty much pouring concrete around them with rebar, as far as like all this, and then they build it up. And so that's what provides the strength and makes sure it doesn't sink, it doesn't move anywhere, and it's going to hold the support of the second floor ceiling, or second floor period, that like cantilevers out over the first floor. You can see the living room wall. That's the living room wall over here. And they're getting ready to put a beam across that. I saw all the metal up there in the front, and they're going to use that metal over here and put forms around it. They'll probably do that today. And so that'll be the floor level. It'll be, of course, matched to this floor over here. Now, it looks like the swimming pool is going to be the entire backyard, but that's kind of true, but kind of not true. So, along this wall in front of the primary bedroom are going to be floating steps. Floating steps that allow you to walk in front of this patio doors without having to get into the water. If you don't want to get into the swimming pool, it'll allow you to walk around. Then over here, it's really 50 centimeters. I don't know, that's like 18 inches wide. Then on this side, it's 190 centimeters of floating steps in front of this area that allow you to, this is all going to be a patio door. In fact, this patio door is going to be 2 stories, 20 feet tall. These patio doors are going to be huge. But anyway, that was ADD, I guess. But anyway, the floating steps go around, get up to this area here, and then 160 centimeters is going to be floating steps in front of this garage. This is all garage over here. And so this is going to be 160 centimeters. And then there's a 120 centimeter door that opens to go into the garage. So you'll walk out on the floating steps to walk around the swimming pool. Barbecue grill right here. And then on this side is going to be a sink. Over here is going to be stairs to go into the pool, and Mismo is going to be the same thing over here, stairs to go into the pool. So you can either enter the swimming pool from either direction. This area here is pretty much just a lap pool. And then this area here would be more of a hangout. There will be 3 chairs in the pool so that you can sit up next to the floating steps and enjoy your agua con gas, mineral water. Or what. They're doing a lot more cellucea, which are those breeze blocks, because this whole wall in front of the pool is all cellucea, so that you can still have a view to the lagoon. And so there's this wall will have regular bricks up to about 4 bricks. Well, not about, but exactly 4 bricks. And then the cellucea blocks will go up to the ceiling height of the 2nd floor. So about 10 feet. But yeah, this is the month of the swimming pool. I'll get a closer look at the piles that they made. Okay, these are the piles. They have 4 of them here that get driven into the soil right down there, so that they can start building the support columns above that. Interesting way of construction. I didn't know that's how they did it, which is kind of cool. This area over here is the service room, or in the United States we would call it the utility room. So these are the foundation walls for that. You can see how this is set up over here. This wall will have a window right here, and there will be a door, porta, right here that swings open. This will be a 100 centimeter door, so 1 meter door. Back behind in this corner will be the pool filter, the well pump, and 4 pool pumps. One pump will be to use to drain the pool, because you can't drain it just naturally, because this water, we're below sea level. This pool is below sea level. So you have to use a pump to pump the water out. Another pump will be used to recirculate. Another pump will be used for a fountain right on this wall over here, so that you can enjoy the fountain from the living room. And then the 4th pump will be for a fountain in front of the primary bedroom on the ceiling. It'll give like a rain effect coming down there. So 4 pumps plus the well pump will be right over here in this corner. And then washer, dryer, regular sink, mop sink, all on this wall. Nothing on this wall, just of course to allow you to maneuver back and forth. There will be a door here to enter into the main house. This area that's open right now will be closed in, probably when they're done with the pool. Or they might close it in today, because they're probably going to pour concrete on this column today. We'll see what happens. They're still making these cellucea. They're making about 12 per day. Inside the storage building here, there's about 400 right now. They need a total of 700 for swimming pool wall, and to complete the cochera, the garage. This is all going to have breeze blocks right up top here, and on this side and on this side, to allow for the breeze to make sure that nothing mildews or molds inside the garage. And then they said they're going to need a lot more to go around the top of the house, and so on the top of the roof deck, the terrace, roof terrace. And I heard like a million, I mean, not a mil, it's uno mil, so that's 1,000. Yeah, they're gonna need probably about that or maybe more. Here's a look at the pool from the primary bedroom. This is the west window to have a cross breeze. That's the east windows. And then of course the south patio doors that go along the front here. But the swimming pool, this wall of the swimming pool is the living room. And there's really no barriers, no sidewalk between the house and the swimming pool. The swimming pool goes right up to the house, but there are floating stairs that go about 5 feet out from the living room wall, about 20 inches away from the primary bedroom, and about 4 feet, well, maybe 4.5 feet from the garage. That's right over here. And then this is right against the wall. So this part is the lap pool, going from there all the way over to the garage. So that's the lap portion of the pool. One of the neighborhood dogs, another neighborhood dog. Everybody just chills around here. Why not just chill when you're in paradise? But well, there's one dog that's barking, wants some attention. But anyway, so this is the pool from the primary bedroom.